Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a clean with me after dark. I think that's what I'm gonna title it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you do, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's go ahead and get started. So I always like to start off with the stove. I like cleaning anything that's on it, taking it to the sink, putting anything away. This was dinner from this night, so I'm just putting it away because my little brother didn't get to eat until later on. You'll see in the video. But yeah, so I just start off cleaning the stove top. I like using this specific brand. It works so freaking well. I just like leaving it on for a little bit. That way it kind of like, works its thing. But yeah. Everyone really needs to invest in a toothbrush. I got mine from Dollar Tree, really cheap, and it honestly helps get all the grime off. I definitely recommend it. You guys should definitely look into it. It really helps a lot. Did you guys know that the actual little turning things, I don't know what they're called, but the knobs, they're actually removable? I don't know if you guys knew that, but I recently found out, and I love taking them off because you can actually get in there and clean if anything gets dirty behind them. We'll then move over to the dishwasher. I wash my dishes by hand, so I just use it as a drying rack. That's why you guys will see some gunk at the bottom, and it's been a while since I cleaned down there, so I'm just gonna give it a quick wash, clean, rinse. Embarrassed of how many coffee cups we have, but we really love our coffee and our tea, so I'm so sorry.
strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
I will then move over to cleaning my stainless steel appliances, but can you guys help me out? For some reason, I've always used the same product and it's staying so streaky. I do not know why. What am I doing wrong? Help me out. Give me some tips, or do you guys recommend any others? Please let me know. Then my final and last step is just sweeping up the kitchen and putting some clean towels up to use for the next few days. But that's it. Finally, I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you guys for watching the whole video. So that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it, and let me know down below if you guys have any tips for me and recommendations or anything like that. And otherwise, that's it. Again, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. I would appreciate if you guys would. Thank you for your time. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.